one of Tirelo's followers asked her a question, or rather puts a comment and says, "You calm, cool, and collected, yes. I love you and I don't like seeing you hurt," basically. Tirelo goes and responds and says, "Pain is part of growth." Hey guys, I laughed at this. Tirela's basically adamant that yena agayindawo. Wo. Imagine someone telling you, "I don't like seeing you hurt," and obviously this person is speaking of the way Umpumelelo is treating her, the whole situation. And Daryl is basically saying, well, that's part of life. Pain, getting hurt is part of the growth. I'm like, which growth, my darling? Which growth? Hey, Umpumelelo said, actually, Umpumelelo is a walking red flag. And you know what Utirelo said? Utirelo said, no, red is my favorite color, in fact. Hey, Bo. Ngithi njani girl, pain is part of your growth. But hey, abanye benu guys anizabe izinto. You guys enjoy pain, hey? You guys enjoy umhero womjolo. In fact, when you guys find good guys, you'll feel like good guys bayanibhora. Eh? Nifuna laba abashukumisa igazi, laba abazonisela ama-BP, laba abazonikeza stress. And then chiki you'll say it's part of growth. Hi guys, nah, I'm sorry, I don't want a growth that comes with that type of pain. Pain that I welcome into my life, because at this point, girl, you're the one welcoming and allowing and enabling that pain into your life. And then jiggy, people will be saying it, all men are the same. Baby girl, you choose the men that are the same. Guys, anyway, tell me now, is this type of pain part of your growth? Oh, what is your comment on this? Anyway, please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.